السلام عليكم. النهارده بنتكلم على الجزء الثاني بتاع الليسون اللي شرحناه المره اللي فاتت trigonometric function of the double angle. Another type of questions, if we have sine or cosine angle or tan angle and this angle located in any quad from the fourth quad of the lattice, we find answer. He asked me to find value of trigonometric function without knowing the angle itself. Okay, then we must know the quad which like this angle lies in it. He told us a angle lies between 0 degree and 90 degree, meaning that this is lies in the first quad. So we draw the triangle, right angle triangle in the first quad like this. Okay, and this angle is theta. We have sine A, sine A, angle A, sine of angle A equal 4 over 5, which is the opposite, which is this side, over the hypotenuse, which is this side, 5, and we get the third side of the right angle triangle, which is 3. So we know the trigonometric function of the angle A. Sine A equals 4 over 5. Cosine A equals 3 over 5. Tan A equals 4 over 3. Okay, so we can find the sine of double angle A, not the angle A, by using the rule which we take it before. You remember it with me. Sine double angle equal twice sine cosine the angle. Cosine double angle equal cosine square minus sine square angle, or equal to twice cosine square angle minus 1, or 1 minus double sine square angle. Okay, then we have here cosine double angle. Sine double angle equal, like we do it before, twice sine angle cosine angle. We know these values, yes, we find it from the right angle. Sine twice times sine angle which is 4 over 5 times cosine angle which is 3 over 5. By multiplying these numbers, we take the answer 24 over 25. We get it without using calculator from the sine angle. Okay, what is the rule of cosine double angle? We get it from any of the three rules, like we did before: cosine square minus sine square, or twice cosine square minus 1, or 1 minus double sine square. Okay, we can write it by cosine square angle minus sine square angle. We know these values, yes. Cosine square 3 over 5 as a whole power 2 minus sine angle 4 over 5 as a whole power 2. The answer will be negative 7 over 25. Okay, tan double angle which is equal to tan A over 1 minus tan square angle. We know the tan angle, yes, we take it before. 2 times tan angle here, 4 over 3 over 1 minus tan square, 4 over 3 as a whole power 2. The answer will be, by using calculator, negative 24 over 7. Okay, then express each of the following in the form of any only trigonometric ratio. We have here sine cosine, which is the rule of sine double angle, but we haven't any 2 beside it. So this is called half sine double angle. Double angle meaning 2 times 35, half sine 70. But we haven't any answer here. He asked me to express only, not find the value of. Then tan 40 over 1 minus tan square. We know this rule of tan double angle, but without any 2 beside it. So it's half tan double angle 2 times 40 equal half tan 80. And this is the last one. It's very important. We take 1 minus cosine theta plus sine theta. Grouping. We make a group. Okay, over 1 plus cosine theta plus sine theta. Okay, why? Because 1 minus cosine theta, this is two rules which we talk about it, which is very important. 1 plus cosine, this is a rule of twice cosine square angle, half angle. 1 minus cosine double angle equal to sine square angle. Okay, so 1 minus cosine, which is rule what? Twice sine square half angle. Okay, theta over 2 plus sine theta. This is the rule of what? Sine theta. We can take it by the rule of the sine. Twice sine theta over 2 cosine theta over 2. Okay, we expand each rule. 1 plus cosine, which is twice cosine square 1 plus, which is equal to cosine square theta over 2 half angle plus the rule of sine theta double sine theta over 2 cosine theta over 2. Then we take what? We take a common factor from the numerator and the denominator, which is, we take from the numerator twice sine theta over 2. What is the rest? We have sine theta over 2 plus cosine theta over 2. And we take a common factor from the denominator, which is twice cosine theta over 2. What is the rest from the first term? Cosine theta over 2 plus sine theta over 2. Then we can simplify numerator with denominator. We cancel the first bracket and the second bracket and cancel 2 with 2. Then the answer will be tan theta over 2. This is the last step of the problem. Thank you for listening, and we will meet again. Goodbye.